Are you a pen spinner? If so, have you ever found yourself getting bored with practicing spinning pens, or just stopped spinning as much? If so, I know exactly how you feel. This could have to do with many things like spinning boring old pens, not spinning in the right environment, or not having realistic goals for yourself. I'll go through all of these and more. First, let's start with choosing the right pen. Believe it or not, but choosing the right pen for your spinning can actually be very important. If you're spinning the same old pen constantly, or if all of your pens don't feel right for you, then it could be enforcing you to stop spinning sooner than later. If you haven't gotten much into modding, then try doing that, and you might find more motivation that way. Similarly, if you have no motivation for pen spinning because of your improvement rate, I actually found it's better to stick with only one pen instead of switching constantly, so you could also try that. Next is finding the right environment. This doesn't just have to do with the place, but also time. I mean, if you feel busy all the time, or if you don't have a specific time for spinning pens, you're probably just never going to get around to it. If you really want to keep spinning, you should set a specific time and place to do so. Next, let's talk about expectations. Do you have pen spinning goals? If not, you probably should. And if you do, but they're too ambitious, you should probably reevaluate. Think of the spinner you truly want to be and make goals based on that. To find motivation, you can look at other great spinners for inspiration, whether this be aesthetically and execution-wise, or technically and difficulty-wise, or even a mix of both, or something else entirely. Find spinners who inspire you and watch plenty of their combos, and you can even try copying them if you want. If you lost motivation because you feel you're not improving, you could try recording yourself week to week or even day to day and compare yourself with your previous self to actually see your improvement. Whether this just be specific linkage or combo or even just freestyles in general. Some of the main reasons why people lose motivation for pen spinning is they're either too ambitious and end up making things way too hard, or they're not challenging themselves enough, or you're just spinning without a purpose, which is probably the biggest one. If you're spinning without a purpose, ask yourself why you started this in the first place. You need a main reason to do this, whether it be you want to get to level 4 in Spindies, or just to impress a girl you like, or if you actually want to win the world tournament. Whatever your reason is, you need a core reason to do so. Even just being super cool is a decent reason to spin. If you truly thought about it and can't think of one, then I'll be honest, maybe pen spinning isn't for you. Pen spinning is hard and takes a lot of time to get good at. So if your reason is simply just to waste time, then there are probably other things you could do with your time. Now, what's the best way to improve with your time now that you have a reason to spin? That is joining communities. Sad to say, but as of now, Discord is the center of the pen spinning community, and Spindies is probably the most active pen spinning Discord server as of now, with many challenges to serve as goals for you as a spinner to help you improve, with battles and tack-ons in pen spinning games to help you motivate to spin more. Check the first link in the description to join for free now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.